Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will continue with the lesson Geometrical Constructions, Practice Set 2. So the very first question in Practice Set 2 is draw triangles with the measures given below. The first sub-question, in triangle ABC, length AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Length BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters and length AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So these are the three lengths given of the triangle. We are supposed to construct a triangle out of this. Now before construction, the first thing which we have to do is draw a rough diagram. That is a blueprint, we can say. We are supposed to draw a rough diagram by which we can understand what will be the base, which will be the other sides of the triangle. So we will label the rough diagram first. So AB I have taken it as a base, the biggest or the longest length 5.5 centimeter. Then the third point will be point C. As we can see, length BC is 4.2, so accordingly I have written there 4.2 centimeter, and length AC is 3.5, so accordingly I have written there 3.5 centimeter. Now let's start by drawing doing our construction. Our base is length AB, that is 5.5 centimeters, so I will draw a straight line of 5.5 centimeters, exactly 5.5 centimeter. Once we draw the line segment, we are supposed to make the end points and label them. Write down the measure also, that is 5.5 centimeter. Now we will take a compass. After taking the compass, we are supposed to measure exactly the remaining lengths of the triangle. So first I am going to start with 3.5 centimeter. So I will take 3.5 centimeters on this compass using a scale. The pointed tip of the compass should be placed on point A and make a mark as I am showing it in the video. Similarly, the next or the other side of the triangle is 4.2 centimeters. So accordingly we will take 4.2 centimeter, adjust the compass and then make an arc from point B. See students, we can see that the two arcs are intersecting or crossing each other. Just darken up the point where they are crossing each other and then draw a straight line connecting all the points. Just like this. Once we finish making the straight line, we can write point C and then the remaining sides. See? It is exactly 3.5, so I will write 3.5 centimeters there, and on the right hand side it is exactly 4.2 centimeters, so I will write down 4.2 centimeters there. So this was the first sum. Similarly, we have our second sum also. So for the second sum, our question is, in triangle STU, length ST is equal to 7 centimeters. Length TU is equal to 4 centimeters. And length SU is equal to 5 centimeters. So again, we are going to draw the rough diagram first. So let's quickly draw the rough diagram. The longest or the biggest number given from these three lengths is 7, so I am going to take it as my base. So ST will be my base. I'll write 7 centimeters. Now the remaining two sides of the triangle we will draw. We'll draw a triangle. And then label the third point or the third vertex. So SU, as we can see, 5 centimeter. So on that side I will write 5, and the last side or the right hand side TU is 4 centimeter. So I will write 4 centimeter. Once our rough diagram or rough figure is completed, we will begin drawing our construction of the triangle. So first thing, we are supposed to draw the base. To draw the base, it is 7 centimeter. I am going to take exactly 7 centimeter and draw a straight line. Students, once again I am repeating, please use a pointed pencil. Draw the end points or darken up the end points and label them first. Then write down the measure. Once we are done with this, we will take our compass and adjust the remaining measures. So first I am starting with SU, that is 5 centimeter. So I will take 5 centimeter on compass using a scale. So exactly 5 centimeter you all are supposed to take. See, exactly 5 centimeter. Okay, once we take that, I am going to place the pointed tip on point S and make an arc out of it. Similarly, the other side, that is TU, is 4 centimeter. So I'm going to take 4 centimeter on the scale and then again make a arc, placing the compass on point T. See students, we can see that the two arcs are not coinciding or crossing each other. So what I will do, I will again take 5 centimeter, place it on point S and make the arc again. See, you all can do it. Now the two arcs are intersecting each other. Darken up the point where they are intersecting and now join the sides. So this is how you all are supposed to construct a triangle when in the question they have given the sides of all the three lengths or the sides of the triangle. So 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Let's just check it once again. Base is 7 centimeter, correct. SU we can see 5 centimeter, correct. And TU we have 4 centimeter, correct. So this is our triangle. Third question, in triangle PQR, length PQ is 6 centimeter, length QR is 3.8 centimeter and length PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Here also we will first make the rough diagram. Base, I am taking the longest length as my base. So PQ is 6 centimeter. Then I am going to make the other two sides of the triangle. Once we make other sides of the triangle, the third point we are supposed to label it. So it will be point R. Now we can see PR, length PR is 4.5. So I am going to write 4.5 on that side and QR is 3.8. So I am going to write 3.8 on that side. Now we will start making our triangle, construction of our triangle. So our base we can see is 6 centimeter, that is PQ, side PQ. So on the scale I am taking exactly 6 centimeter and making a line segment, darken up the end points, label it and write down the measure. Once we are done with this, take a compass, take exactly 4.5 centimeters, that is side PR we are going to make first. So exactly 4.5 centimeter on the compass using a scale. Place the pointed tip of the compass on point P and make an arc, just as I am doing. Now the other side QR we have 3.8 centimeter. So on the compass I am going to take exactly 3.8 centimeters. Exactly 3.8 centimeters. And then again I am going to place the pointed tip of the compass on point Q and make an arc. We see that the two arcs are not intersecting. So again what I'll do is I'll place the pointed tip on point P and make an arc so that they intersect each other. Darken up the point where the arcs are intersecting and then label the point. Join the points PR and QR. This is a triangle, a construction of the triangle. So PR is 4.5 centimeter and QR is 3.8 centimeters. We will once again check the lengths of all the sides. So the base was 6, correct. PR is 4.5 and QR is 3.8 centimeters. That is also correct. So this was the third one. Now question number 2 is draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeters and the other sides 3.5 centimeters each. Isosceles triangle means two sides measures the same and one side is different. So that is why measure also of all the sides of a triangle they have given in such a way. Base we have 5 centimeter and the other two sides we have 3.5 centimeter. So I am simply going to draw a triangle, a rough diagram first, label all the vertices, base 5 and other two sides 3.5 centimeter. Once it is done, we will begin with our construction. So for our construction, the first thing as always we are going to draw our base. So for the base we have 5 centimeter, draw a straight line in the base from 0 to 5 centimeters. Yes. Now darken up the endpoints. Once we darken up the endpoints, we are going to label them and write down the measure. Now I am going to take a compass and take exactly 3.5 centimeters on it using a scale. You will have to measure exactly 3.5 as I am doing. Place the pointed tip on any of the endpoints of this line segment. See, I have placed it on point C. Make an arc. Now the same measure, we are going to place it on point B and make an arc. Why I did so? Because it is an isosceles triangle. Both the sides measure the same. So I have done it. And now make a straight line or join the points. Join all the three vertices. And this is how we get an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC. Once we are done, it is very important for us to label it. So we are going to label all the points. Question number 3, we have draw an equilateral triangle with side 6.5 centimeter. Now equilateral triangle, from the name itself we can say that all the sides of the triangle are same or are equal. So for that again we are going to make a rough diagram of an equilateral triangle. Label the rough diagram. I have labeled it as XYZ, triangle XYZ, and on all the three sides write down the same measure, that is 6.5 centimeters. This is our rough diagram. Now we will start making the actual triangle. So first I am going to draw the base. Base should be 6.5 centimeters as they have given us in the textbook. So make a straight line. See students, here I have labeled it as XYZ. You all can label it with any other alphabet, whichever you like. Okay. So this is our base, YZ 6.5 centimeter. Now what I will do is, I will take a compass and I am going to take the measure of this line segment only which I have drawn, because it is 6.5 only and the other sides also I want 6.5. So I am going to take the same measure of YZ, see, and then make an arc from point Z and one more arc from point Y. Do not change the measure of this compass, it should be same. See, we got intersecting arcs, and now darken up the point and join the three vertices. Make a straight line. So this is how we get a equilateral triangle, measuring 6.5 centimeters on all sides. At the end we should see that all the points are labeled up. So that's it for practice set 2 students. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.